Resuming is a company that manufactures heavy machinery for underground mining. We start to make machinery as about 2008. Then with the request of our customers, we start to make more kind of machines for several uses in the mine. We need to ensure that the operator will be safe in the cabin of our machines. And not only in the cabin. And about production, we need to ensure that the equipment can make the holes as big as the company needs. Challenges: first, try to design the models as fast as we can. With this, we need to make our analysis about the resistance of the structures in less time with more accuracy. We start to use SolidWorks simulation at 2012 because the customers ask us for some certifications and start to use SolidWorks simulation to make this kind of studies. Last year I was making this same test in SolidWorks Simulation Premium, and it takes about 6 hours to us. But 6 hours is too long time for our actual process. And we start to use 3D Experience Work Simulation in order to reduce these times and increment the accuracy of the test. So right now it only takes us about 2 hours, and we have an accuracy for about 92–93%. With the cloud solutions, we start to communicate our results of the simulations to our manager in a better way and in less time. With this, he can make some comments, and he don't need to be at the office to see the results and communicate us the changes that we need to do. So it's about acceleration of the process. The results was our clients are more satisfied with our machines. I think with the platform will help us to reach our goals, because it's giving us more velocity to get results and give to our production teams the correct information in less time.